Alright, here we go. It's starting to rain. Wow! Let's check it out, ladies and gentlemen. Wow! You guys were playing this song earlier? On this. There it goes. Wow. Cool plane, guys. Oh, a Learjet! Oh! Learjet! Cool. That is a cool plane. That is awesome. Wow, this camera does better. There's the Learjet. I wonder where that plane's gonna go. Hold on, I gotta take a picture. And there's that. That's it. Hope you liked. Okay guys, check this out. Let me zoom it in. Hold on, there's actually, I think an aircraft is getting ready to take off. I'm pretty sure it's an aircraft, guys. We're just gonna sit here. There it goes, ladies and germs. Check this out. There it goes. Wow, this is a really nice camera, guys. This actually does better video. So maybe I can just tape the plane spotting videos for my iPhone 6s. But there's another new aircraft today. Don't know its tail. Can't really tell, but I have not seen it. I gotta take a quick Instagram photo, so I'll be right back. Alright, here we go. This is the new aircraft. That was a quiet takeoff for that aircraft. But here's this yellow plane right here. As you can tell. Nice aircraft. Time in Chicago right now. I don't know if you guys can tell, 3:52. I don't see N933LA. I don't see N944LA. I don't see N911LA. I don't see any of those three out. Usually before a flight they would be out. So probably we're not going to fly today, guys. The only reason being because of this up here. Yeah, but guys, let me know. I'm gonna actually shoot this video with the iPhone 6s. I want you guys to let me know what you think. Okay, do you guys like me shooting the videos with the iPhone camera or the Samsung? Because the Samsung's in my car and it's fully charged. I just felt lazy to get it out. Ooh, check this out. Ooh, no, that's a Remos, guys. That's a Remos. See, Remos is a nice aircraft. So, I want you guys to let me know, do you guys like me shooting videos out of the iPhone 6s? Or do you guys prefer the Samsung? Because honestly, this is a 16 gig iPhone, so there's not too much space on it, guys. But let me know what you think. If you guys really like this camera better, just leave in the comments down below. I like your iPhone camera, you know. I'll be happy to use it. I just got to clear up all the stuff that I have on my phone, because I literally take pictures for Instagram. And guys, follow me to my car real quick. I've got to go to my car and actually grab my bag. Hold on a second. Let me zoom the camera out a little bit. Okay. So there you go, guys. I'm going to my car real quick. I'm just going to grab my bag because I have a feeling it's just going to be ground school today. Which really sucks, by the way, because I really didn't want ground school because... Let's just keep this between both of us, guys, or all of us. I studied for it, but we're not quite ready yet. Look at this. I don't care if you guys see my license plate. There it is. Because that's the last name of my YouTube channel, so it's not like it's confidential. Let me see if I can get my keys out. Hold on. Yep, look at Sugar Grove today, guys. It's pretty cloudy. Check this out. Alright, guys. Alright, and I'm going to cut here and I'll be right back. Gosh, it's so nice. Wow. Gosh, it's so nice.